Welcome to our treasure trove of completely free Agile and Scrum resources. Hey there, fellow Scrum enthusiasts. With years of experience in this field, I understand the importance of equipping teams with the right tools and knowledge to thrive in the ever-evolving world of Agile methodologies. And that's why I've curated this collection of Agile and Scrum documents meticulously selected to enhance your Scrum practices. So whether you are a seasoned Scrum Master, product owner, or simply curious about Agile methods, you are in for a treat. But hold on, there's more in store for you. From handy self-assessment checklists to insightful retrospectives, this repository is a goldmine of resources to streamline your operation and drive real results. And guess what? I've got something special for you, access to my free 1-hour Scrum course. Dive deep into the world of Scrum and discover if it's a career path for you. But wait, there's still more excitement to come. Join us for our free Scrum workshop. It's a comprehensive 5-hour session crafted to enhance your understanding and refine your Scrum skills. It's perfect for anyone looking to dive into the tech industry. Then you can subscribe to our free Scrum newsletter for the latest insights, tips, and tricks related to Scrum. Lastly, let me share a way to make money with Scrum. So join our affiliate program today and unlock endless earning potential with every click. Affiliate marketing is your ticket to earning commissions by promoting products you love. With a generous 50% commission rate, the sky's the limit. So access our affiliate support page for instructions, tools, and resources to start earning money today. There is no earning limitation. Find more info on how to get paid and get started. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out this opportunity to revolutionize your Agile journey. Grab these invaluable resources now and propel your team towards unparalleled success. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Simply follow the instructions on the screen and in the video description to get started.